for the jeans, play the grip 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 for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, play the grip for the jeans.
What's up, everybody? It's the Connect Day 60. We're back with another review. Before we get started, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Got a lot of new content coming out for 2021, so let's just get started. Today, as you can see, we're going to compare the racing computer chairs. The red and black one here, I just picked up for a Black Friday sale. The blue and black one over here, I picked up a while ago on Amazon, thinking I was getting a good deal. They always often say, just like the other ones, and I'm just here to tell you, these are two total different chairs. The blue and black one cost about 80 bucks, $79.99. Maybe it had free shipping with Amazon Prime. I'm not sure, but it was definitely under $100. That's when I realized it's better to just pay the extra couple dollars to get a good chair with the lumbar support and the pillows, the adjustable pillows and the adjustable neck rest. The GTR racing chair I got for $143, but I wanted the Bluetooth speakers, which I'll show you in a minute, that are on the back, and that was an additional maybe $10-15 difference, so I ended up going with the $153. It had free shipping. I will tell you this though, it took about 3 weeks for it to get shipped, okay? Meaning it took 2 to 3 weeks for it to even leave the factory. I guess they pump out so many chairs, FedEx only takes a certain amount at a time. So mine was on standby for at least 2 weeks before FedEx even picked it up. Overall, I'm happy with the chair. I'm glad I waited. I'm gonna let you know right off the bat, I'm 6'4", about 220 pounds. And the blue and black chair I had for about 2 years. I got it for Christmas. So I had it for about 2 years. I had it in my studio, sat in it all the time. About after a year, I noticed the cushion on it was going flat. So for a while I sat on a pillow, and then until I got a computer chair cushion. So that's what I used for the most part, and then eventually that wasn't enough, and I had to take the pillow back and put it on my back area. So I had the cushion on the chair and a pillow for my back just for a little extra support. So I can't complain now. It did last. I sat in it for 2 years and did everything I had to do. But then I realized maybe I should get a new chair. And that's when I started doing some research to get a better chair and spend a couple more bucks. When you're out there looking on Amazon, Walmart, and all those other sites, you're gonna see a lot of chairs that are not GTR racing, with the same model, same build. Just to let you know, there are some key features that are different, so you wanna pay attention to what chair you're getting. This one, the black and red one, it got the pull-out footrest, the adjustable armrest. The blue and black chair does not. No footrest, and they're both on the highest setting. As you can see, the GTR racing chair sits significantly higher than the black and blue chair. And once again, I'm 6'4", so this GTR racing chair fits me just fine. It got the full recline. I pull out the footrest. If I want to lay down or sleep like a bat, it works just fine. But if you're sitting up and you pull out the footrest and you're tall like me, it's useless. You're gonna need another footrest to rest the rest of your feet on, from your calf area to your foot, if you understand what I'm saying. So the footrest only comes out as far as your calf area. I'll pull that out in a minute. If I get an opportunity to, I'll show you what it looks like with the recline. But some of the features for the black and red GTR chair, like I said, I got the adjustable armrest. It goes all the way back. It goes all the way forward with a slight, what would you say, tilt inwards to give you even more support when you're making music, when you're leaning forward and things like that. It's just some extra support. The cushion feels good when you're sitting down. I feel the materials is nice and sturdy. Feel like it's gonna last a long time. So overall, I'm happy with the chair. Let me give you a closer look. Got the pillow there. Like I said, this is adjustable. You can have it higher or lower if you like. Right here, you got the flip out footrest. Now when it's upright, when I'm sitting upright just like this, my calf area is right here. So the rest of my feet hangs off. But if I recline the chair all the way, so I just wanted to point out this is what it looks like fully reclined. Very comfortable. Like I said, I'm 6'4", and my feet fit on it just fine. So in this position, the recline function works very well. But if the chair's sitting up like it was before, the leg rests are no use. Maybe it could relieve some of the pressure, but your feet will hang off from about your calf area down. Like I said again, if you're under 6'4", I would say about 6 feet and under, maybe 6'1" and under, then you probably be able to utilize the footrest even if it's upright. So in this feature, sometimes after a long day working in the studio or doing homework or after work or something like that, and I just want to kick back while I'm in the studio, listen to some music, I'll sit the chair back just like this, and it works out just fine. You can't feel like you might fall over or fall backwards, but once you get used to it, you realize, you know what I mean, they got it all figured out. So just want to keep this review nice and quick. If you have any comments, like I said before, just let me know down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, it's the Connect 860. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.
For the jeans, play the grip 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 for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans. Play the grip for the jeans. Slippers is clean, play the grip for the jeans. 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 Slippers is clean, play the grip for the jeans. Play the grip for the jeans, 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 play the grip for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, play the grip for the jeans. slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans. 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 Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans.